So in this video we're going to talk about the Google Pixel 9a. First of all, this phone comes with a 6.3 inches of cute smaller display, and it is a OLED HDR10 plus supported a 120Hz refresh display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3. When we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with their own Google Tensor G4, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. It does comes with a lot of 5G bands, like 13 5G bands. And when we talk about this mobile's availability, this mobile is available in only two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. Now these are UFS 3.1 storage capacities and along with LPDDR5 RAM types. Yes. When we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes with just two cameras at the back side. I know, yeah, the Pixel mobiles are made for cameras. This one comes with a 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front, this mobile comes with the same 13 megapixels of front facing wide angle selfie camera. And when we talk about this mobile's build quality, it's completely a glass and metal build. When we talk about this other things, like this mobile comes with the Android version 15 out of the box with the 7 years of updates. That's huge, yes. And this mobile also comes with a 5100 milliamps of battery. Yeah, that's not a big battery, but that's okay. The battery for the 6.3 inches of screen mobile, it's a good amount of battery. Now it supports 23 watts of fast charge through wire. I would say normal charge through wire, and 7.5 watts of wireless charge. So this mobile doesn't have an IP68 or 69 certification, so don't put this mobile under the water or in the rain. And this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 6E tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.3, NFC and everything. This one comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer and everything, compass, everything. And this one also comes with NFC, but there is no IR blaster in this mobile and there is no 3.5mm jack. This mobile comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. When we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with the mobile itself and a Type-C to Type-C cable, but no charger included in the box of this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's price and the colors, this mobile is available in 4 colors. I will leave the colors in the description box down below with the other videos of my channel, so you can go and watch them from there. This mobile might come with the price tag of 44,000 rupees. For that amount of price range, I would say that you can try better options there, like OnePlus 13R and iQOO 13 base model, and like that you can try. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button and share this video.